Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making some simple French toast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so I'll be showing you all how I make my 5 minutes French toast. Let's get started. So to make your French toast, you'll be needing some bread, some sugar, butter, eggs, milk, cinnamon. I usually fry the leftover eggs and just eat it with my French toast. So this part, the onion and the pepper, it's actually not needed. That's just me being extra. Break and whisk your eggs properly. Try not to get any eggshells inside your eggs. Next, you add your milk, your sugar, a pinch of salt, Step 2, you drop some vegetable oil in your non-stick frying pan and also rub some butter on it to help prevent it from the bread from burning. Just dip your bread in your egg mix. I don't like soaking my bread. I don't like them soaked, so I just dip them, let them drip, and then I place it on the non-stick frying pan. Leave it for about a minute. Then you flip it over. You see that color, the golden brown color. This is like my go-to breakfast. I can eat this the whole week for breakfast. I don't get tired of French toast, guys. Because I'm a foodie, I make 3 to 4 slices for myself. Do the same thing for the rest of the bread and just leave it for a minute. Then you flip it over and you take it out, do the next one until you're done. You don't need to do all of this, but I just like to rub my French toast so I can get all the butter inside. You can see the golden brown, see the way it's, looking so delicious. So this is the last slice. Take it out, drop some oil. This is the leftover eggs, so I'm just going to add my vegetables and then whisk it together, then fry it. Yeah, this is why I said it's not needed. I wanted to make it as an omelette, but I just ended up scattering the whole thing. That's it, guys. This is my French toast. It's very easy to make. You can pair this with some hot coffee or some hot chocolate, your choice. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.